Hello, I just got back from my first Microsoft MVP summit. I'm a first time MVP, and I was lucky enough to get invited to go in person to Microsoft's Redmond campus. If you want to see photos and my blog post about the summit, I'm going to put it in the description down below. But here's a new feature that is rolled out in Teams. This has nothing to do with the summit. I can't talk about anything from the summit because of my NDA. But this feature is just recently rolled out and I love it. One issue we have with chats and channels is you start typing a message and then you press enter and that sends it. I'm fine with that, but a lot of people don't like it. You can now tweak what happens when you press enter. So here's the default behavior right here. I'm going to just say, hello, I'm working, and I press enter, expecting to get a new line, and it sends that message. Yes, I can press the up arrow on the keyboard. That'll put you into edit mode immediately, by the way, at the up arrow. But I want to change what happens when I press enter. So let's go up to settings and more, click settings. Over in your settings options, you want to go to chats and channels. Scroll down and you'll see a section when writing a message, press enter to. Notice it says send the message. You can now pick the other option, start a new line, and then it's telling you if you do this setting and you want to send it with the keyboard, it is Ctrl+Enter. So let's try that. There is no save on this screen, so I'm going to go back to my chat with my colleague Carol. I'm working on the following, press enter, and I get a new line. I typed in budget, enter, marketing plan. I can press enter and keep on going, but I'm ready to send this now. So that would be Ctrl+Enter on the keyboard, and that will send it. And by the way, pressing the up arrow will still send you into edit mode. For a bonus tip, if you want to go back to the previous settings, and two tips here. I'm going to go to settings. Tip number one, when you're in settings, notice you can search your settings. A lot of people never realize this. So I'm going to type in enter. There's 3 different options, but it's chats and channels. When writing a message, press enter too, and it jumps me right here. So always remember you can search your settings if you can't find something. I'm going back to the default. I'm going back to my chats. Here is the second tip I have for you. If you want to stay in the default where enter sends the message, if you want to get to your formatting options where enter will no longer send the message, you can do Ctrl+Shift+X. That pulls up your formatting. Now, when you press enter on the keyboard, which I'm doing, I know you can't see me pressing it, you just get a new line. And then to send it, again, Ctrl+Enter will send it. I appreciate your time. Feel free again to check out my trip to Microsoft's Redmond campus. It was phenomenal. The Microsoft people that did the sessions were phenomenal. Met a bunch of great MVPs, learned a lot of information. Take care. Have a wonderful day.